Hello everyone. Now here again you have to get these patterns made on the 5 sides of the hair, and then again you need to tuck them inside and get these strings beautifully attached and arranged in this manner. And now you have to get them, and further you have to just secure them beautifully from all the 5 sides and then get a beautiful braid made out of it. Now tuck them inside. Isn't it looking even more beautiful and amazing? Keep on proceeding further, and here you need to get the braids like this, and then what you need to do, you have to get the strings made and then arrange it in this manner. Further, what we need to do, you have to just secure your hair in this manner, get the braids beautifully tucked and made in this manner. Further, what we need to do, you have to secure it even more beautifully and tightly like this, and this is gonna look even more mesmerizing. Keep on proceeding. Now here again you need to get the hair partitions like this, and then you need to join them together. Now further you have to make these beautiful lovely patterns on either side and get a beautiful bun made on either side of the hair and get them tucked with the help of ribbons. Now here again, you need to make the braids like this and then attach it in this manner. Now what we need to do, you have to just secure the hair like this and get them done like this. Isn't it pretty cool? Thank you guys.